What's up, 2 fam? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, welcome. If you want to join the family, like this video, subscribe, and show the channel some love. I'm 2FlyB, and today I got another lit video for y'all today. Without further ado, let's go and hop into it. This is the box. It says Gucci. Nothing going around it. And in the front, this is the soft rubber GG slide. Let's go and remove the top and get into it. As I open it up, 2 dust bags, 1 for each shoe. I do have my receipt for the people that want to know how much this slide is. If you guys are interested in it, pay attention to the second one on the receipt, not the first pair. So make sure y'all come back to my channel because I am going to do a review on the first pair. But these are the Gucci men's platform slide sandals, the soft rubber, like I told y'all. Here's the receipt, the second item on the receipt. If you guys want to know the price, move it along. You got all the Gucci booklets, you know, all the authentication paperwork. So let's get the shoe out. Y'all, I do like this shoe a lot. So y'all let me know y'all thoughts on the shoe, how y'all feel about it. So 2 dust bags. This is what the dust bags look like. If you're wondering. Now that I have the shoes, I'm going to take them out. This is the shoe. Alright, y'all. Let me give y'all a quick 360 of it while it's still in the box. Before I go into details and get into the in-depth review. I like this simple black slide. Back to the front. Alright, y'all know I gotta get my thumbnail real quick. I got the thumbnail. Let's go ahead and hop into the shoe. Alright, 2Fly fam, coming straight into the shoe. This is the outside. Y'all see this shoe, man? This is a nice shoe. Diving straight into it. On the top, you got the infamous double G logo. Like that a lot. Super soft, man. Gotta let y'all know, in the footbed, it has Gucci written out, as y'all see. And you see it has a platform, so the shoe is comfortable. You're off the ground. You gotta worry about walking on the floor. Black genuine leather. Feels like it's buttery smooth, y'all. I would not cap to y'all, but not just tell y'all anything. And y'all know this colorway is hard to me. Y'all know why I got this colorway. It's black, and look at the gray at the bottom. The asphalt gray. You see the gray wall? Y'all know I like gray. This is hard. Look at the bottom though. Couldn't even wait to get to the bottom. Do y'all see the double G's all over the shoe? All throughout the shoe? At the bottom it says Gucci, made in Italy. Let me turn it this way. Do y'all notice how the double G's are raised up? So look at them. And then look at the side. They all just keep coming up. I thought that was different and unique. I didn't realize that until now. And I said, whoa, that's different. So you walking in sand, you know, you walking in something like little puddles or anything on the ground, you definitely will leave the double G prints behind. But I thought that was different. Double G's are literally rising. On the side, you got some little grooves going on, but nothing much. All the same materials going all the way around this shoe. And it's just black. And like an asphalt gray at the bottom. I thought it was a nice, simple shoe. Like, let me know y'all thoughts on it. What do y'all think? Is this a shoe that y'all would wear? Do y'all like this shoe? Is this something that you would purchase? If so, what would you wear with it? How y'all see yourself styling this? Me personally, I'm in a market for some black Gucci sunglasses, preferably with the silver detailing on the side. And this is gonna be another nice shoe. You know, I'm out of town on vacation. This is nice. You know, this will even make a nice airport shoe. You know, nice, comfortable. You traveling, still in style. But me personally, I don't like shoes that be flapping. I don't like to wear slides in the airport, even though they make some nice airport fits. Like you throwing a nice jogging suit, depending on what the weather is, what you're traveling in. But I just prefer my feet to be fully secured, which is why I like to wear foam running for my airport fits. But that's cap, because I do have some slides that I bought just for the airport, and I'm gonna show y'all those. But that's only because them slides, I bought them purposely to go with my luggage. It was the same material. So I'm like, come on, man, I don't have a choice, I have to. But this is this shoe, and I'm gonna show you that was the right shoe. Let me show you the left shoe real quick. Same, double G on the top. Gucci spelled out. Bottom says Gucci made in Italy with the same double G's, asphalt gray on the bottom, and the top is black. And I could not stress enough how comfortable this shoe is. This footbed here, you see how this is risen off the platform. So the platform already makes it comfortable. Then they sit this on top. Comfortable, man. It's like we're walking on some type of like foam. I don't know, like a real soft pillow. That's how I feel. That's the best description I could give y'all of this shoe. Also on the inside of the shoe, it gives your size and some serial numbers. And nothing else to this shoe. That's really it for this review. Now you know it's time for the on feet. Alright, Too Fly Fam, that's it for this Gucci rubber slide review. I'm about to hop into the on feet portion of it. Make sure y'all stay connected with me on social medias. My Instagram and TikTok is 2FlyB. Snapchat FlyManB. My business email is in the description below. Let me know y'all thoughts on the shoe. Comment, you know, no judgment here, no judgment zone. I don't take nothing personal. Leave a comment however y'all feeling. It's cool, you know what I'm saying? Make sure y'all take care of yourself. Stay prayed up. I love y'all. Get with y'all next video. Be smooth.